Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 30 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So firstly we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the gestures navigation, I'll start with it because I've got the opposite option applied. All you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and do it kind of slowly and hold your finger somewhere here. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the 3 bars icon. And here we've entered the recents. If you want, you can close, for example, only one of those apps, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all of them, tap on the trash bin icon, and after getting back you can see that we just successfully cleared the memory, and it means simply that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.